Hey everybody, this is Mike here from FilmSpark. I'm here to give you a quick demo on our new agent and how you can load your own custom prompt skills into FilmSpark, into our agent, and use them to write your own custom prompts now. So as you see here, we're in our library. There's a new little section called skills here. You're going to see some of our skills here that you can use if you want to try them out. And you can also load in your own skills. So if you've created a custom GPT or a Claude skill, we accept .md files, .skill files, and .txt files. So you simply click here, you add a skill. I'll just show you how it works, dragging one in here. And you'll see you can name it, you save that skill, and it gets saved into your library. So now the next step is you go back to your projects, and any project that you want to add a skill to, you open up the project. I'll just pop over to the storyboard, and over here you can see my agent's already open. This is how it'll look to you. The agent is now accessible for all plans and users in FilmSpark, and you simply open it up here. You're going to need to enter your own API keys, either Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT. And then you can choose from the different models you want to use. And then to load those skills, you come up here, you click this button. You can search or select the skills that you want to load. You simply select them. Let's do this one, even though we already have it. I'll save it in. And now that skill is going to be loaded. If I want to get rid of that skill, I can simply click here, save, no problem. Now, when I want to write shots or scenes, I can use that skill to create them. So, for example, I can say, okay, now I have asked a simple task to do. It's going to think about that, give a proposal, and I will then review and approve the proposal. So you can see here the skills have been loaded, the GPT image shot skill and the seed dance prompt writer, and it's now assessing scene 4. FilmSpark agent is tied into your entire project, so it knows your script, your scenes, your intent, and really can create scenes like I'm doing now, but it's capable of so many more things in terms of editing scenes, changing scenes, creating shots, prompts, attaching references, images, really anything you want to do. If you want to change the lighting in an entire scene, you want to change the color of an actress's jacket, the agent will know what shots they're in and intelligently go ahead and do that. Okay, so the agent's now finished. It's created a proposal. We can open up the proposal, can look over carefully what it's intending to do. It's going to rewrite the prompts. Looks like it's assigning images, writing the video prompts. So we can accept this proposal and let it run. You'll see now it's creating the shots, and now it'll generate the images as well. It's going to generate the images one at a time because it looks like it's going to use the continue shot feature to build each shot off the last shot to have the most continuity as possible. Okay, we can see now that all our shots have been generated. They're using the shot from before to be continuous. We can take a quick look. I haven't gen the videos yet, but you can see here our image prompt and using our skill in the proper format, using the right reference images. Okay, so from here we have many options. I've told it to go ahead and create a new shot in scene 4 and make a storyboard panel sequence for us out of these 5 images that we're then going to create into a multi-shot sequence. Okay, now the agent's given us a proposal. We can review it. It's going to make a new shot. 60. Production storyboard grid, 5 panels. Assigning correct image references. Alright, let's accept it. Gone ahead and created the shot, and now it's generating the image. Alright, now our storyboard image has been completed. Used all the same shots, gave it a bunch of directions. Now we can go over to our video prompt. We can see the storyboard, the actor turnarounds and the location have been added. Everything has been tagged correctly. The timing is correct to a 15-second shot. We're going to use Seed Dance 2 Ref Mini 720. Go ahead and generate this. Okay, our video's done. Let's check it out.
Some writers just plan their page breaks.
What about parentheticals?
Start them half an inch to the left.
Something like this?
Not very, about 1.5 inches.
Okay, there we have it. We of course could have done this a number of ways in FilmSpark, could have created a multi-shot sequence. I did it with this storyboard image to provide good continuity and consistency across all the shots. Alright, thanks for listening.